Next one is the linkage isomerisms. The coordination compounds which are having same chemical formula but having a different site of attachment of ligands are called as linkage isomers, and the phenomena is called as linkage isomerism. Let's have two examples. First one is CONH3 5NO2 and Cl2 complex, and second complex is CONH3 whole 5 ONO Cl2. Both these complex having one cobalt metal, 5 NH3 ligands, one NO2 ligand, this is also NO2 ligands, and two Cl2 ligands. This first complex is yellow in color. The first complex is yellow colored complex, and the second complex is the red in color. So both these complex having different colors, so they show the different physical properties. In first complex, in the center there is cobalt metal and a 5NH3 ligand attached to this cobalt metal. Supposed to be this is NH3, NH3, NH3. Here is also ligand NH3 and fifth NH3. And this NO2 ligand attached at the sixth position of this cobalt metal, and donor site of this ligand is nitrogen. This is the octahedral complex having the coordination number 6 of this cobalt metal, and these two Cl negative are present outside the coordination sphere. In the second complex, similarly in the center metal CO is present and 5NH3 ligand is attached to this CO metal like as the first complex. Here is also NH3 and NH3 ligand, and at this sixth position there is NO2 ligand, but here the donor site of this NO2 ligand is oxygen. So ligand is same, and these two Cl ligands are present outside the coordination sphere. So in both these complex, all the ligands are same, but site of attachment is different. When NO2 ligand having donor site nitrogen, in this case this is called as nitro complex because the donor site is nitrogen. And in the second complex, the ligand NO2 having donor site oxygen. That's why this complex is also called as nitrito complex. Nitrito complex. The another complex is of chromium metal, that is CrH2O5 and SCN ligand. And there is a +2 charge present on the coordination sphere. In the second complex, similar Cr metal is present and 5 water molecules are attached to this chromium metals, and the sixth ligand is SCN ligand, and it is also having +2 charge. So both these complex having same donor site, but in this complex the donor site of this SCN ligand is sulfur, that is S. In the center there is a metal Cr and 5 water molecules are attached to it like as H2 because donor site is oxygen in this water ligand. So H2, instead of H2 we will write OH2. At the fifth position there is SCN ligand and the donor site is sulfur. This complex is also octahedral and coordination number of this Cr metal is that is 6. Similarly in the second complex, in the center metal Cr is present and 5 H2O molecules are attached to the Cr metal. So this complex having sixth position, at the sixth position there is N. Nitrogen is donor site of this thiocyanato ligand, and overall complex having +2 charge. So both these complex having same chemical formula, same geometry, same coordination number of the metals, but the donor site of the ligand is different. In this case the donor site is sulfur. That's why this complex is also called as thiocyanato complex. Thiocyanato complex. In the second case the donor site is nitrogen of this CNS ligand. So this complex is also called as isothiocyanato. Isothiocyanato complex. So this is the these are the examples of the linkage isomers, and this phenomena to show the linkage isomers is called as linkage isomerism. The fourth one is the coordination isomerisms. So in the same way, the coordination compounds which are having same chemical formula but having a different coordination sphere. Let me take one example of the ionic compound, that is NaCl. We know that NaCl is the sodium chloride, or it is also called as common salt. It is having cation that is Na positive and anion that is Cl negative. This Na positive, that is cation, is written in the left hand side, where this anion, because it is having negative charge, is written in the right hand side. In the coordination isomers, both the cation and anion are in the form of the coordination sphere. The coordination sphere which is present in the left hand side, both cation and anion are present in the form of the coordination sphere. The coordination sphere which is present in the left hand side is called as the cationic coordination sphere, and the coordination sphere which is present in the right hand side, this is called as the anionic coordination sphere. Let's take one example. The first complex is CONH3 6, coordination sphere is closed, and another coordination sphere is CrCN6. This one is the one coordination complex. This coordination sphere which is present in the left hand side, this is called as the cationic coordination sphere, and this coordination sphere which is present on the right hand side, this is also called as the anionic coordination sphere. This is the one coordination compound in which both cation and anions are present in the form of the coordination sphere. The another is that is CrCN6 and COCN6 and CrNH36. This is also one compound. If we compare these two compounds, in the first compound, CO metal is 1, Cr metal is 1, NH3 ligand is 6, and Cn ligand is 6. This is in case of the first coordination compound. In case of the second coordination compound, the CO metal is 1. This is CO metal, and this is Cr metal. Cr metal is 1. NH3 ligand is 6. Cn ligand is 6. So both these complex having same chemical formula but having different cationic and anionic coordination sphere. In this cationic coordination sphere, this is metal cobalt and ligand NH3, and in the second one, the metal is cobalt same but the ligands are NH3. In the anionic coordination sphere of the first complex, the metal is Cr and the ligand is Cn. In the second complex, the anionic coordination sphere having metal Cr in the same as in the first one, but the ligands are 6 NH3 ligands. So both, this is first complex and this is the second complex. Both these complex having same chemical formula but having different coordination sphere or different cationic and anionic coordination sphere.